wasn't real cold, but it was very windy, so it felt real cold. So I was watching the hawk, and then I looked down, and there was the coyotes. So I followed the male around for a while, just with the camera. And when he started coming this way, I kind of lost him because I just couldn't keep it in focus. And then both the male and the female are under that grove. I think somebody throws some food there occasionally, and they were out there chowing down. I am watching them from far enough away that I think I'm really beyond them thinking about me. And, being under the trees, it kind of gives them some cover behind all the stones. So this is actually kind of like one of the rare times you get to watch them where they're really not like aware that you're watching them. Eventually, the female decides to take off. I probably finished most of the food over there and said, let's see what else there is around today. Look at how dainty she walks. The snow was weird for walking on, but she's pretty dainty on that. Then you get to see the male come across, and he's also walking a little bit light-footed.